Motor Werks. We train.
They give you all the tools to do your job.
We have training every day.
I've got great support. I've got a great positive environment to work in.
We adapt.
We hire for a person who fits our culture, for a person that is aligned with our viewpoint on customer service and transparency and integrity and truly gets putting the customer first. And a lot of times that means someone that's never even been in the automotive industry before.
I had a cleaning business.
I was actually a mechanical engineer.
I'm new to the automotive industry.
Client relations for hospitality groups in Chicago.
No car background.
Worked in higher ed administration.
My background is in bookkeeping.
If you're a team player and you want to be a part of something, if you're looking to be part of something great, this is the place for it.
We get smarter.
This store is very innovative and cutting edge.
There's tons of room to grow. It's fantastic.
If you want to work somewhere, you want to work for the best. So that's what I strive for, and I was ecstatic when I applied here and I got a job.
I have a great group of people that I work with in my showroom, and we help each other out a lot. We really work together. We're a great team.
They provide their customers as well as their staff with all necessary tools to stay current and do our job well and efficiently.
Every sales consultant, every technician, every day. Not just to keep up with change, but to drive it. Motor Werks.
Unique.
Fun.
Positive.
Family.
Amazing.
Exciting.
Progressive.
Community. Fulfilling. Awesome. Take the jump. Working at Motor Werks is the best decision I ever made.
It's just a great job.
Love my team, love my bosses, great opportunities, great room for growth, and you get rewarded.
If you work hard and show integrity and always do the right thing by the customer.
And you're a people person, we can teach you the rest. Come and apply.
Welcome to the circle.